Quick hack to protect your backseat floor.
The other thing I wanted to update you with this car is that, you see, these mats, it's when they are sitting there, they keep these mats underneath, and then now this one ends up getting dirty. It's very difficult to sweep out this one. So even here, look at here, these mats. But I have an idea here in my mind. Forgive that it's dirty. I'm gonna take it to car wash now. I want to put in a mat that is gonna fit in the whole section, all of this section, a mat that gonna fit in, and then I put this one on top. So my people, this is how it looks. This is a boot mat. I just cutted it accordingly. It's not a perfect thing, but it's better than having these mats, because these mats, when you sit here at the back, they simply just move in there, you see. So at least when you put this mat, and we also have this one, so it's a double protection. Even if when someone is sitting here, this one moves in there, you still have another cover. Also when it's wet, so you're covered, because this one is waterproof. So this is actually a boot mat. It is I think 30 centimeter times 3. This is 120 centimeter, and this one is 180 centimeter going there, that direction. It's 120 centimeter. So what you do, you put it underneath your back seat, underneath here, and put it here, and then you start cutting according to the edges of your car. So yeah, I know there is the one that you can buy that you can easily fit, but not everyone have 2.4 to fit that one in. So this is just a simple hack when you just want to, because this one I bought from Takealot for 200 rands. So, and then I put it in here. So I know now, even if I put the mats, the normal mats here, I'm still covered. Also, even if the kids here at the back, they spill drinks, I can simply take out this mat and clean it outside. And it's also easy to sweep this one. You just, portion is also covered. So this portion is normally not covered, so it always get dirty. Yeah, so now we have these mats and also this one. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Sorry for not showing you earlier when I was installing it. I don't know, I just completely forgot.